Overview of CAPM Certification, a Beginner's Guide. The Certified Associate in Project Management, CAPM, registered certification is a credential designed to prepare candidates for entry-level project management positions. It is administered by the Project Management Institute, PMI, a leading worldwide organization in project management. Introduction to Project Management. Project management is a multifaceted discipline integral to achieving organizational objectives. It encompasses the strategic application of knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques to navigate the complexities of project execution. Project managers lead teams through the initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and controlling, and closure phases of the project lifecycle. Overview of CAPM certification. The Certified Associate in Project Management, CAPM, certification, offered by the Project Management Institute, PMI, serves as a foundational credential for those seeking entry into the field of project management. Its primary purpose is to validate a candidate's comprehension of essential project management concepts and terminology. CAPM eligibility criteria. The Certified Associate in Project Management, CAPM, certification, provided by the Project Management Institute, PMI, requires candidates to meet specific criteria aimed at confirming their foundational education and experience in project management. Educational requirement. Candidates must possess a secondary degree, which can include a high school diploma, associate's degree, or a global equivalent. CAPM exam structure. Number of questions. The CAPM exam consists of a total of 150 multiple-choice questions. Question format. All questions in the CAPM exam are multiple choice, meaning that each question has 4 answer choices, and the candidate must select the one that they believe is correct. Time duration. The duration of the CAPM exam is 3 hours. Candidates have this fixed period to complete all 150 questions. CAPM exam content. The CAPM exam content involves understanding the broader project management framework. The CAPM exam content is designed to be comprehensive, covering a wide array of topics that are crucial for effective project management practice. Maintaining CAPM certification. Maintaining the Certified Associate in Project Management, CAPM, certification involves a commitment to ongoing professional development and engagement in the field of project management. CAPM certification is valid for 5 years, and to ensure its continued relevance and currency, certified professionals must fulfill the Continuing Certification Requirements, CCR, established by the Project Management Institute, PMI. Career benefits of CAPM certification. The Certified Associate in Project Management, CAPM, certification provides professionals with a host of career benefits, positioning them for success in the dynamic field of project management. CAPM certification not only validates a professional's foundational knowledge in project management but also opens doors to diverse career paths. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Certified Associate in Project Management, CAPM, certification stands as a valuable asset for professionals aspiring to enter the world of project management or seeking to advance their careers in the field. CAPM not only signifies a commitment to excellence but also enhances professionals' confidence in their project management abilities. CAPM certified individuals contribute effectively to project teams and align with best practices.